Welcome dear friends. In this video, we're going to show you how to stop apps opening on startup in your Windows PC. Probably some of you've already tried some settings, but there are few stubborn applications, they never obey your settings, and they keep opening automatically whenever you start your PC. Solution 1. Disable startup apps. Please right-click on Start and select Task Manager. Go to Startup tab. Over here you can sort by status. If you see that particular app enabled, please right-click and disable. The same setting is available under Start, Settings, Apps, Startup. Any change that you make in the taskbar startup, that we've seen earlier, is automatically reflected here, and vice versa. In some older machines, these settings are available in msconfig. Solution 2. Disable background apps. Please go to Start, Settings. Over here please ensure that you are in Settings. If you are in some other window like this, please click on this little arrow to go back to Settings. Select Privacy. Please scroll down and choose Background Apps. See if that particular app is listed here. If it is enabled, you can use this toggle button to turn off. Alternatively, you can disable all the background apps at the top. Solution 3. Remove from Startup folder. Right-click on Start and select Run. Type shell:*startup and hit Enter. This opens the Startup folder. If you see that particular application over here, please right-click and delete. At this point of time, before you check the other two solutions, I suggest you to restart and see if the particular app stopped running automatically. Solution 4. Registry Edit. Open Registry Editor. Now please navigate to this registry key that you see on screen. Once you select the Run folder, please have a look at the right side panel. If you see anything related to your problematic application, then precisely right-click on it and delete. Please do not delete remaining stuff, those are not related to problematic application. Solution 5. Task Scheduler. Search and open Task Scheduler. Over here you would see various folders and subfolders. You may need to check folder by folder and see if the application that is in question is scheduled to start from here. If yes, you can right-click and disable or delete. Please do not delete remaining stuff, those are not related to the problem in hand. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, please add your comments below, I'll respond to you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done already. Thank you so much for watching.